So today, one of my first install videos on my 2022 Tesla Model 3. This is the IPG logo decal wrap kit. Let's give it a go. Hey folks, welcome back to GeekSmart. Today we're doing a small install on my 2022 Model 3. This is the first set of decals that I'm doing. I figured I'm going to do them in separate videos because they are in different locations. So this one's specifically the logo wrap kit. This is $19.95 on Amazon. I'm going to put the links down in the description. IPG did send this to me to allow me to do a video on it. So thank you very much for allowing me to do this. I decided I wanted to do orange. Metallic, or I have the midnight metallic color, the gray color in the car, and I'm a huge fan of orange. And even my logos, my Tech Gooch logo is that gray and orange. So that's what I'm doing. And this is basically vinyl stickers for the Tesla logos on the vehicle. I'm going to do another one on. They have a door handle one as well. I'm going to do that in a separate video. So I'll probably do that today at the same time, and then so they'll post around the same time. But I'll put links down below for that. So this is more about the install than the, and it's hard to say that there's going to be a review because it's literally a sticker unless it doesn't last, but I can't see that happening. So let's get into it. Let's take everything out. Let's throw it on the hood. Let's see what all comes with this kit. Okay, you can see this is how it actually comes. Alright, so we have anything else? Oh, yep, there's something else in there. Alright, so they come with like a, what is that, a fake credit card? Alright, so it's like a flimsy card that you'll probably use to push the bubbles out. So that comes with that. It does come with clean cloth. I'm going to leave that in the plastic to keep it clean. And then here we actually have our logos. Like I said, I'm doing the orange. Now they have a whole bunch of different colors. I don't know if these are sealed. I don't see anywhere easily open them. So it must be sealed. There we go. Alright. So, we have, these are the four ones that are probably for the wheels, for the wheel caps. We have, obviously, the two large ones. These are the ones I'm going to concentrate on for the front and back. And then there is, I believe this one's the steering wheel. And then this is actually, if your Tesla has the Tesla logos on the basically the rear cameras, the side axis cameras. I don't think the newer ones have the T, but I'm probably going to put it on anyway just because it looks cool. So there we are. Focus is going to be on this big guy, and then we'll move on from there. And essentially the steps: wash your hands, make sure your hands are clean, clean the surface with the nice cloth, peel the IPG from the backing, and align and put it on. So I'm probably going to have to take a scissors and cut this logo in this piece into two pieces. That way we do one at a time. So I'm going to grab my scissors, and I'm going to actually wash my hands quick too. Okay, so I have the camera off to the side here. I did wash my hands, and I did cut the item in two. Just set that up there so it doesn't slide down. I did wash my vehicle right after a couple days after, or the next day after I got it. I did wash it. So it is fairly clean, but that was a couple days ago. I've only had the vehicle for a few days, so it is new. Alright, so we are clean. That up there. And it looks like we should be like any vinyl, right? It should come off the backing. So you want it to stick to the clear, because obviously you're going to want to be able to see where it goes anyway, right? Okay. I have that credit card ready as well, because we're going to want to work our bubbles out too. Now the other way to consider doing this would be like a soapy water underneath it. I'm going to give it a try with just like this, and work it on, I guess, because I think it's fairly good. Small bubble, which I can work on, I'm pretty sure. You know, it looks pretty darn good. I don't know how well it looks like with the lighting that it is, But I'll tell you what, it's nice and bright, that's for sure. And to be honest, more than anything, I was wondering whether or not, because I was actually considering, rather than doing the vinyl sticker on here, I was actually considering doing an orange plasti dip on it. But I will be honest about it, as honest as I can. Having that chrome outline actually looks really good, a lot better than I thought it was going to look. Well, that's kind of cool. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and do some of these other ones, see what it looks like. I'm kind of excited now. The thing about the wheels is, you know, you don't, I mean, obviously I could roll it forward to make it right side up. Not that it really matters that much, but I'm just going to do it how they lie. So in this case, I'm probably not going to show you all 4 of them, but at least I can show you this one. The other nice thing is, because they're not super adhesive, so they do allow you to pick it back up and reapply it before you stick it in. But as soon as you apply that sucker good and firm with your finger, you're kind of committed. So just so you're aware. Didn't want to stick as much as the other ones, and that's probably because it is kind of set in a little bit. But just so you know, it does seem like it's going to be good. Just going to let it cure. I'm pretty sure it's, once she dries on there, it'll be good. Let me get the other ones going. Okay, so I did the last 2 wheels by myself real quick, and now my specific Model 3 does not have the actual little T here, but I want to put it there anyway. So I might as well with these 2 little guys that they gave for that purpose, right? The nice thing about these vinyl stickers is you can always take them off, right, if you don't want it in the end. So I'm just going to put it like that, quick and easy. Little extra accent. And I did clean it. I guess I didn't show that on video. Because it looked like there was something on it. But it came right off. Some of these are sticking better than others right out the gate. Or, then again, usually I would do like an alcohol wipe. But I'm going by the instructions. And it looks good. It looks great with the black background. I love it. I'm going to do the other side real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so the last one is one that I didn't know if I was going to do, but I'm actually so impressed with what it looks like on the outside. I said, you know what? It's removable. It is just a vinyl sticker, so I'm going to do the one in here too. All right. I'll say this. Installation-wise, these are really easy to install. There's not a whole lot of big surface area to them, so there's not a whole lot of bubbles you really have to worry about, to be honest about it. I like it. I really do. I am now really glad I put these on my vehicle. This is awesome. Fantastic. So we've got the back there. I've got the 2 wheels on this side I didn't show, so both that guy and that guy. We've got the front one. Oh, I didn't even show the other side, obviously, but yep, both sides there. And then the 2 wheels that I did. Just a small difference, but I like it. Okay, so the IPG vinyl decals, this is the logo wrap kit. Do I think it's worth it? Yes. I mean, if you're looking for a slight, easily replaceable, removable accent that makes the vehicle your own, I like them. For 20 bucks, I think they're well worth it. I like it a lot. And of course, it was available in the exact color that I wanted. So there's a whole bunch of different colors that they have available. I'll put the link down in the description if you want to check it out. By all means, check it out. Let me know what you think. If you had experience with these, obviously these are just little pre-cut vinyl decals in the exact shape of the logo, so it's not hard. They did a good job. It's exact all the decals that you get is exactly for the vehicle that you have. So IPG, good job. Can't wait to test out the door ones next. So thanks for watching GeekSmart. We'll check it out here on another future video install. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.